bouncing. Yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's really early. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my old subscribers, you guys are just the best. Thank you so much for all your support. So this morning I'm just starting the day with making some smoothie. I love to include all my favorite fruits and veggies. And I'm also going to be making some suya. So let's cook together.
Yeah, ooh yeah, Bubble rains, we sleeping all night. In my feelings, I'm tryna be right. Take me for your ride, I want to feel myself. Playing music, running 100 kilometers. Now I'm living life. Sweet in the rain, travel. All these guys are feeling my vibes. Now the nigga call my name and me. When I step into the stage, I am losing control of myself. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Swimming in the ocean, I'm trying to find my way. I'm trying to find my way. Swimming in the ocean. Me, I'm trying to find my way. Me, I'm trying to find my way. Oh, hey. Jackie Lily, Calibre, wanna pay. Jackie Lily, swimming in the ocean. Swimming in the ocean. Oh, Jackie Lily, Calibre, wanna pay. Jackie Lily, swimming in the ocean. Swimming in the ocean. Oh, swimming in the ocean. Tell what is missing. The views on the potion. Now singing like frog ocean. Deep in the ocean, making my lotion. Trying to do everything in an ocean, in a motion. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Temptations, I'm trying to run away from it. I am trying to run. I am trying to stay away from me. They say I'm first. Tell me not to be scared. Tell me not to be scared. Swimming in the ocean, I'm trying to find my way. I'm trying to find my way. Swimming in the ocean. Me, I'm trying to find my way. Me, I'm trying to find my way. Oh, hey. Jackie Lily, Calibre, wanna pay. Jackie Lily, swimming in the ocean. Swimming in the ocean. Oh, Jackie Lily,
Got a drink in your hand, won't you set it down? Hopes high, don't you let them down. I know you feel the tension, baby. One night to forever now. Eyes locked when I walk in. Two-step to the Uber, baby. Go ahead, bring your best friend. Waterbed make you feel so wavy. This pressure makes diamonds. No questions from me till the night ends. One dance, I want you next to me. Two hands, the perfect recipe. Don't rush romance, your body's all I need. One dance, I want you next to me. To me, I want you next to me. To me, I want you next to me. To me, I feeling all alone now, yeah. You should hit me on my phone now. Don't wanna move too fast, I wanna slow down, yeah. When I'm by your side, girl, life is so vivid. Looking in your eyes, I'm addicted. Baby, we could drive everything we know. Me and you together on the LA coast.
So I ordered for some back to school items last week. I was meant to go to the store myself to get my kids back to school stuff, but I was so busy that I opted to order online. Now the problem is, because I ordered a bit late, a lot of things were out of stock, and then as well as the fact that this delivery came late when the kids had already resumed school. I've been buying water essentially for them to take to school because I did not get these on time. Oh, that's nice. So this is the Game On lunchbox. It was very good price on sale. It was about £6 and I got it from Astor George. The beauty about this particular lunchbox, yeah, I really like the fact that it's got its own water bottle, and I love the fact that it's also insulated on the inside. So this is for one of the boys. I also couldn't resist buying this lunch bag set. I really like having extra lunch bags just because everyone seems to be, we're all always on the go. And another thing that attracted me, another thing that sort of made me buy this was the fact that it's got mini lunch boxes on the inside, which makes it really handy if you've got cookies or your lunch or sandwiches. This is absolutely perfect for that. And the fact that you can actually fit in 3 lunch boxes inside, love that. That's a very good buy. It's got the strap which is adjustable, so you can pop your lunch in there with or without the lunch boxes. We have purple. We have the girly one, which is so cute. When I saw it, I was like, I have to have this. This comes with a water bottle as well, which is so cute. Let me see the size of the water bottle. Yeah, that's the water bottle it comes with, which is really, really, really cute. And this lovely Polar Gear lunch box. I really like the handle. Everything about it is just so cute. I love the unicorn icon on there. Oh yes, that is really cute. I love that. This is the third one, which is for my older son. He didn't want anything too childish, so I just said, oh, let me just get him something black themed. So again, this comes with a water bottle as well. Same concept, lovely handle, a breathable fabric. Oh, I love the size because it can actually fit in your lunchbox as well as maybe some fruit. Okay, so I've got nicks and knacks here. These are to shape your eggs into really cute shapes. So it comes in a heart shape, a star shape, a flower shape. So this is is it bigger? Okay. So this is a school bag for my oldest son. You know, he's growing up so fast and he just wanted something that was a bit cool, something really hip but mature. So I hope this size will suit his school books. I love the yellow the yellow straps. So it's got like various pockets on the inside. It also comes with that charger, which is really interesting. I mean, like, this is the first time I'm seeing a school bag come with that. This is the pencil case. It's really nice. I love the fact that it's like a rocket ship, and this is for my youngest son.
Oh, it's USB.
I like the fact that it's got a hard outer casing, and then it's got this section on the inside where you can pop your pencils and your pen, and also this zip side where you can put your erasers, I reckon, and your sharpeners and stuff. So this is really nice. This is my youngest's school bag. He's into dinosaurs, so I always make sure all of the school bags I buy have and carry the dinosaur theme. I like the fact that it's got sections for a water bottle, extra pockets on there. It's got a front pouch, a lovely pouch on the inside as well. It's really nice. I really like the dinosaur theme and the red straps and the contrast. That is such a lovely bag. So it's got pink and teal, and it's got compartments for water bottles as well. I'm just going to pop it open. A lovely compartment on the inside, your main bag, and it's got extra pockets in there. Bring it. So the lunch bag also comes with a thermal heating on the inside, which is really good to keep all of the food warm. So this is another pencil case. It is so cute. Again, it's got like a NASA space rockets theme going. I really love the astronaut. It looks super cute. I couldn't resist buying this truck. I think it's it transforms into a car, and it's like a dinosaur. So this is for my daughter. It is so cute. When I saw the bunny with the pink ribbon, I said she's gonna love it. I knew she was gonna like it. It's so pink, and I think it's every girl's, well, most preteen girls' dreams to have lovely, bright, really cuteness overload. Also got some hair accessories for my daughter. We've got that, and we also got these beads. I can never really run out of these beads, but they're different because you can actually open it and then attach it to her braid or her cornrow, as the case may be.
Your grace is my defense. Your kindness calls me friend. Your love will never end. You're good to me. You're good to me. Your word is always true. My hope is found in you. Each day your mercies know. You're good to me. You're good to me. Oh Jesus, you are everything I need. You are my Savior and my King. You are the reason I believe. You are so good to me. You are so good to me. You are so good. oh.